Think polar bears are actually white? Think again. These Arctic giants are built for the extreme, surviving temperatures as low as -40 degrees thanks to a thick layer of fat and hollow fur that acts like a high-tech puffer jacket. They can swim for miles in freezing waters and sniff out a meal from over half a mile away, even through solid ice. But here's the real kicker. Under all that fur, their skin is actually jet black to soak up every bit of sun they can get. It's a genius design for survival, which is why you'd never guess that